Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the car to ACC or on so the multimedia system is active. This prevents interruptions. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and leave it discoverable because the car must see the device. Next, press Menu on the Lexus display, select Setup, and then Bluetooth settings. This opens pairing controls. You do this first to sync system states and avoid timeouts, and to make sure the vehicle and phone are both searching at the same time. Now pair the phone. On the car, choose Add Device or Pair New Device, which starts a scan. Meanwhile, on your phone, tap the Lexus entry when it appears. You will see a PIN on both screens. Confirm that PIN. This verifies identity and prevents accidental pairings. Once paired, allow permissions for contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. This step lets the car access your phone book, which is why you grant it. Make sure to accept any prompts quickly to avoid timeouts. Finish by setting the phone as the primary device in Bluetooth settings if you have multiple devices saved. This ensures automatic reconnection. You should test with a call and play audio to confirm microphone and media channels are routed correctly. Select Bluetooth as the audio source and adjust volume. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart your phone and turn the car multimedia off and on, then retry pairing. This clears temporary Bluetooth caches and resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.